Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve on 2 monitors, a full guide. First, ensure your computer supports dual displays and has at least one graphics processing unit with 2 output ports. This configuration allows you to view your project more comprehensively. Having extra screen space is incredibly beneficial for detailed work and improved productivity, offering a much more comfortable editing experience. Once DaVinci Resolve is open, locate the Workspace menu at the top of your screen. From there, select the dual screen option and then choose On. This action will automatically extend your workspace across both monitors, distributing panels for immediate use. You can also specify which screen acts as your primary display, giving you full control over the initial setup. Now that you have dual screens active, you can personalize your layout by dragging any panel from one monitor to the other. For instance, you might place your timeline on the primary monitor and your media pool or scopes on the secondary. Remember to save your custom workspace by going to Workspace and then Layout Presets, which will store your preferred setups for quick recall, optimizing your workflow significantly. Consider dedicating your entire secondary monitor to the full high-definition viewer, allowing you to see your work clearly while editing. Your primary display can then host the timeline, media pool, and inspector panels without clutter. For color grading, you might place your scopes on one screen and the viewer on the other, ensuring precise adjustments. This strategic arrangement significantly streamlines your editing and grading processes, saving valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.